Chartlog app pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Chartlog is a technical analysis and portfolio tracking platform for active traders and investors. Most people assume advanced charting platforms are expensive, but Chartlog offers clear and competitive pricing. The free plan provides basic charting, watchlists, and portfolio tracking for casual users. The Pro plan costs $99 per month and adds advanced charting tools, historical backtesting, custom indicators, and multi-account tracking. Premium users also receive real-time alerts and integration with multiple brokered accounts. The surprising truth is that Chartlog combines professional-grade analysis tools with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced traders. There are no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're paying for. In conclusion, Chartlog pricing is transparent and valuable for traders who want to analyze markets, track investments, and make informed decisions efficiently. Selecting the right plan ensures you have access to the tools you need without overspending.